Is it the right time to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock? Let's dive deep into Mullen Automotive and provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. We're here to give you all the essential information you need. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could potentially impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On January 9, 2024, our system assessed Mullen Automotive and classified it as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.61. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock is currently showing no change since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and downward trend in the short term. This indicates that the stock is likely to continue falling within this trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 59.50% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges between minus 92.36% and minus 47.31%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a minus 99.77% change over the next year. This means the potential return during this period ranges between minus 100% and minus 105.61%. In other words, the stock's price could range from $0 to minus 80 cents after 1 year. Today, we have some exciting news about Mullen Automotive. The stock price made significant moves on Tuesday, with a 17.07% difference between its high and low points. Let's dive into the details. On Tuesday, the Mullen Automotive stock price increased by 9.82%, going from $13.04 to $14.32. Throughout the trading day, the stock's value fluctuated between a low of $12.77 and a high of $14.95, showing a significant range. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 6 of them, resulting in an impressive 45.53% increase over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, which is a positive sign. In total, 555,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 1 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $18.15 million. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past year. The highest price recorded in the last 52 weeks was an impressive $10,125, while the lowest price was $6.95. Currently, the stock price is 99.86% lower than its 52-week high, amounting to $10,110.68. Additionally, it is 99.99% lower than its all-time high, which was reached on January 3, 2022, with a price of $131,850. Analyst ratings. In a recent report on Tuesday, November 1, 2022, Citigroup announced their evaluation of Mullen's performance, giving them a reduced grade along with a downgrade action. Analysts have given Mullen Automotive stock a general recommendation of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong indicator to buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Mullen Automotive. Let's start with the buy signal that was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 79%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicating a positive trend. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is a good technical sign. However, there are some negative signals that may have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. While the short-term moving average gives a buy signal, the long-term average gives a general sell signal. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $14.44. On the other hand, if it falls, the short-term average will provide support at $13.32. A break above the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was detected 13 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 551 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was identified 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was detected 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 226 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was identified 214 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signal information. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Mullen Automotive. Mullen Automotive has found support from accumulated volume at $14.25. This means that there's a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support level is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is highly volatile and carries significant risk. In fact, this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. So, if you're considering investing in Mullen Automotive, make sure you're prepared for potential fluctuations in its price. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that the stock had a significant price movement of $2.18 between its high and low in the last day, which accounts for a 17.07% change. And over the course of the last week, the stock has experienced an average volatility of 13.11% on a daily basis. Before we explore potential trading levels for Mullen Automotive, let's first go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key measure of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that a company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through challenging periods, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 11, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Mullen Automotive. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Mullen Automotive is at $15. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be best to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if we encounter a downward trend, Mullen Automotive faces its first support level at $14.25. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, as we anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Mullen Automotive has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. Mishiuri David, one of the insiders, has executed the 5 most recent trades, involving a total of 18,315,176 shares or options in the company. By analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 47.111. In these trades, insiders have purchased a total of 199,825,595 shares and sold 67,761,615 shares. Our recommended stop-loss for this stock is set at $13.77, which represents a decrease of 3.86%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was discovered 12 days ago. Is Mullen Automotive stock a good buy? While Mullen Automotive has shown some positive signals, we believe it is currently best to consider it as a hold candidate. This means it may be a good idea to hold or accumulate this stock while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 10th, we anticipate Mullen Automotive to open at a lower price of $0.307 and begin trading at $14.01. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of potential financial loss. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a look at the current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts too, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. Regards, the Stock Invest team.